on Fireblade 400 Airsoft as I review another box from Shogun, the CYBERGUN, the Thompson M1A1 gas blowback. So, let's open the box. So, the gun comes with a very simple manual how to select fire, safety, how to release your magazine, the magazine itself, a weird looking speed loader. This looks like a dragon, T-Rex style, but if you look at different ways, look at different. So, and of course, the gun itself. So, let's take this here. And now, the Thompson M1A1 is here in Shogun.
If you want to play like a mafia, say hello to my little friend.
After playing the mafia, let's talk about the gun. The gun is a fully metal structure, and the wooden look is plastic polymer-ish. So what's all black is all metal, and what's brownish is imitation wood. So the gun is open bolt, open bolt gun. So when you charge the gun, it's open, and then the shot, and you twist the trigger, the bolt will go home, and when it's full automatic, it will go back and forth. That's workshop, guys. So, and the gun feature a fire selector on the left side of the gun, and a safety and a firing mode. Okay, and this crazy thing here, that is the mag release. And the gun comes with a fixed front sight and a fixed rear sight. And you have here a very nice slot to put your candies when you get bored in the field. It's like, oh, nobody's coming. Try it. Insert your candies here. So you have to eat. You have something to eat in the field. And now, let's try how it feels. So, always wear eye protection. And the magazine. So, the valve is here underneath. Drink gas here. Let's try. There you go. See if I can insert this for dry fire mode. The magazine feature a dry fire mode, so when you're having this lever here, just push it forward to the lip, and then you can dry fire the gun. So let's try it. There you go. Charge it and try it. Full automatic. Feels good. Take out the magazine. And let's chrono the gun and go to the shooting range. Let's go, guys. With 0.3 BBs and green gas. And we're back. The Thompson M1A1 shoots well. Shoots only very hard in joules. It's almost 1.6, I think. I saw it in the chrono. And yeah, the only what I don't like from the gun is the fake wood, the imitation wood. I'd rather have it in the real wood, but that's good. And I forgot something to tell you guys. You can adjust your hop up here. There's a wheel here to adjust your hop. And let's see. But it doesn't tell you how to adjust it. So check it out. The Thompson M1A1 from CYBERGUN is here. So check the link down below and maybe it's yours. Guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.